Thank you so much for faring the weather and the storm and the flights and everything for coming here to hang out with us on Friday.
Yep.
If you are just meeting Joy for the very first time ever, I will tell you this. Amy and I love you. We love you so much, not only because you are one of the sweetest people that has ever walked into our set, but because you bring us lip plumpers that don't sting.
Yes, which is amazing.
You bring us beautiful colors and palettes because you are a makeup artist, a celebrity makeup artist who's been working in the UK for years and years, and the formulas feel fabulous. Today, we're gonna give you a trio that should be $63. You're getting it for $34, and we've got choices for you. Now, help me with the choices. So are these the nudes?
Yes, so we've got 3 kits tonight. We've got pinks, which are here on your right. Sorry, on your,
Yeah, so these are the
Those
nudes.
are the nudes, yep. And then in the middle, we've got the brights, and then on the left, we've got the pink kits.
Now, the brights are brand new today.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put my hand there so you can
Brand
see them
new.
against skin. And then the last but not least over here, these are our pinks.
Pink shades,
Kind of like a mauve tone in there as well, right?
Yeah, each kit you've got a lighter shade, a mid shade, and a darker shade. So you can really play around with the colours, which makes it really good. Yeah.
Now, what are you wearing on your lips?
So, well, I've actually got 1 out of 2 kits.
Okay.
So I've got Touch on the outside and Tease on the inside.
Show us over here how you swatch them for us.
So I've got I've got the shakes again. I always get the shakes.
Okay. So listen, I'll help you out. I'll help you out.
This side.
Joy is so sweet. There you go.
So these are the bright shades. You've got Fire, which is that really beautiful red, which is gorgeous, especially with Valentine's coming up. You've then got Flirt, which is a step down from a red, which is beautiful.
Beautiful.
And then Tease, which is what I've got on the middle of my lips, which is that really
like perfect
peachy
for, like,
shade.
Valentine's Day.
Yes, gorgeous. And then you've got the pinks in the middle, which is
Most super wearable colors.
super wearable. Yeah, really, really good. So you've got the lighter shade, which is Play, like a soft pink, beautiful. Yeah, every single day, absolutely gorgeous. With Chase, our best seller, which is a really mid-tone pink, and then Wild, which is your deeper tone pink.
I love that.
Beautiful to line the lips
Now
with as
over
well.
here,
Yeah.
these are our nudes.
Yeah, those are your nudes. So on the far, that one, you've got Touch, which is what I've got on the outside to line my lips. Nudie, medium, neutral tone. And then Crave, which is your deeper brown tone.
Now listen, we haven't seen these since September. Right,
Yeah.
that's the last time we saw you on our show.
Yeah.
We just got these back in.
Yeah, they sold out.
Today
Yeah.
we have them for you at $8.50 on Easy Pay. Check out your shopping cart and get them home. Talk about the formula and the feel as we see them applied on Autumn.
Yeah, so Autumn is actually, she's got Chase, which is our bestseller, and that's in the pink kit. And it's got such a creamy formula, which has got vitamin E, which really nourishes the lips. And unlike typical lip liners that can be quite sharp, this lip liner is a plumping lip liner. It's chubby, and it really makes it super easy to apply on the lips.
Look at what this does.
Amazing.
Right, so you've been a makeup artist for for so many years.
Yes.
People ask for this all the time.
They ask for it, and something, because as you could see I was shaking before, something I've struggled with as a makeup artist is lining the lips. So as you can see what Autumn is doing, this product makes it so easy. So there's no mistakes made, and if there is, it's kind of blurred out because of how chubby and round and soft the liner is. So it's a real 3-in-1 tool. You can line the lips and then fill them in, and then you've got the plumping with a slight touch of tingle, so it doesn't give you any burning or anything too strong.
Now she's wearing the color that you called Touch, correct?
Oh no, that's Chase.
Oh,
from
Chase,
the pinks.
excuse me,
Yes,
from
that's
the pink
medium
collection.
pinks. Yeah.
So, and then you could see all the swatches on the back of her hand. Now the pinks are the most popular. We have fewer than 1,200 to go around. Now listen, that's not a lot actually, because every time Joy comes to Friday, we sell out, right?
Sells out,
so if you want them, now is your chance to get them in the pinks. We also have the brights that are brand new today.
They're brand new, yeah.
And we also have the nudes, which are returning favorites. A 676608 is your item number. What are we gonna see on Sheila? Oh, so Sheila's in the brights.
Yeah,
for sure.
in the brights.
All right, so we're gonna see Sheila in just a second. Oh, yes, it does match your personality, Sheila. All right, so listen, which color does she have on?
So Sheila's got Fire, which is our orangey red. So a lot of people might be like, ooh, red, it's a strong color. But you can see how beautiful it looks on Sheila. And we've got 1/2 filled in, which again is that 3-in-1 product, showing you how to line and fill the lips in. And then you can see just how easy the product is to
Wow.
use. So lining the lips and then filling them in. So really, if you struggle with lip liners, this is the product for you because it really makes it so easy. So easy. Like my mum cannot put this down. She's got obviously every shade in her handbag, but it's replaced everything. She doesn't have a lipstick and a lip liner now because she's got it in one. And it's so easy.
And that's the Brights collection.
That's the
brand
Brights,
new.
yeah.
Sheila, if you could show us also the back of your hand so that everybody can see all the shades that are coming today.
Yeah.
So that's just one of the shades that you're getting.
Yeah.
You're getting all three. Now listen, each one of these should be $21 each. That would be $63. You're getting all three for $34 with over 600 people placing orders right now. Maybe you're picking up more than one collection. That makes a lot of sense.
Definitely, yeah.
So now here's the thing. Whether you're picking up the nudes right over here, which we have not shown you yet, those are really like the most neutral.
Super neutral. You can wear these every day. Yeah.
Then we have the Brights right over here, which are brand new today. That's our most limited. Then we have our pinks, which I would say are also kind of like everyday, but just plus, like everyday plus.
They really give that pop of colour, as you can see. You can see the neutral lip, and then to line it, and then also the fuller coverage as well. Which is what's amazing, because if you've ever tried to blend a lip liner, it's really difficult. But because these are creamy, you can blend them so easily.
It's like a lipstick and a lip liner in one.
Exactly, and you really can like cheat that way to a fuller lip, which is amazing. And the plumping is so gentle, so gentle.
And it's not going, because it has...
it's got ginger root in it, which gives that slight tingle, touch of tingle we call it, on the lips.
So now, I want to show everyone the choices again on your arm, if I may. I'll help you hold it. She really is one of the most wonderful, beautiful, inside and out persons that we've ever had on the show.
Thank you.
These are your Brights right over here. That's what we saw on Sheila. These are your pinks. That's what we saw on Autumn. And then right over here, these are your nudes, which you're wearing
which
today.
I've got.
So listen, pick them up. A676608 is your item number. Joy, it is always a pleasure to have you on the show. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much.
We love having you here.
I love it.
And you know what? I know Amy's jealous that she's not here with you tonight because Amy loves wearing Project Lip all the time.
Loves it.
Thank you so much, Joy. Thank you. All right, so listen.